Hello, I am Gunilla. Welcome to RPT, Relaxed Playing Technique. This is part 3 in Gripstaccato, which is a fantastic exercise to achieve relaxation in playing. Now I will show you Gripstaccato with the first and the fourth fingers. If you turn your hand like this, the thumb is pointing in this direction, and the fourth and fifth finger are pointing in this direction, slightly towards the middle of the hand. Therefore, the move will be like this when playing with the thumb. The other fingers follow the move over the thumb and back again. And when you make it quicker, it looks like this. And you shall relax in the hand immediately after the gripping move. And let the hand fall back on the keys directly. Start with repeating just the thumb staccato first, so you find the right moves. Concentrate and feel the keys, and imagine how you will make the gripping move, and then do it. Immediate relaxation, and reflect about how it felt. Was it a quick move with the smallest amount of energy? And did you relax directly and fall back on the keys? And with the fourth and fifth finger, the move will be like this. In the gripping staccato with those fingers, you follow the direction with the whole hand. And when you do it quick, it looks like this. And immediately relax and fall down with the fingers on the keys. Now do the same procedure as I showed in the first and second episode, but now with the thumbs on A in the big octave and G in the second octave, and play the same musical pattern as before, where you continue with the fourth fingers on the A flats. Begin very slowly. Do one note at a time. And concentrate first and feel the keys. And imagine how to make the gripping move, and then do it. Immediate relaxation, and reflect about how it felt. Gripping staccato with a quick reaction, with the smallest amount of energy, followed by immediate relaxation. The same musical pattern as the last episode, where you start around the A flats and go out to the Ds. After a while, when you can do the moves easily and relax immediately, you increase the speed. Watch the next episode how to continue. and make it easier by clicking to subscribe. Remember, relax and be free.